evolution of OnBase Online, or OBOL as it has been so affectionately referred to, I've been with our OnBase Online solution for 7 of my 8 years with Hyland, and just watching the gap close between what works well in a premises solution versus what works well in a hosted deployment. I mean, we've shrunk that gap completely. I think the biggest bang for an end user's buck, so to speak, with looking at the OnBase application is they have the availability to deploy either on-premise or in the cloud, or if they start out one, they have the ability to migrate to the other. That is what sets us apart from other ECM solutions. We are a premier provider of both on-premise and in the cloud, and we offer that flexibility. And I think that's what end users walk away with as one of their deciding factors to go OnBase.
It's very similar, actually, and it's probably more similar than people would imagine, because you have the technical details with where your ODBC is, where your database is, all that, and how do you expose that in a cloud solution or in a hosted solution. But through the use of Citrix and through the use of other technologies, we're able to easily accommodate that and pretty much provide a similar experience to a premise solution to a hosted solution. And so architecturally it's more similar than people think. Obviously there's additional challenges with running a data center that houses hundreds of OnBase customers versus a single premise-based customer solution. But the experience to the end user is very similar.
And I think that it's worth calling out that that's very deliberate in nature.
Right.
We don't want there to be significant differences between a premises-based solution and a cloud solution. The end user experience is meant to be the same because it's all one application.
Yeah, how do I manage thousands of users? And I already manage them in Active Directory, so I don't want to manage them in OnBase as well. We use ADFS, which is a module that can be purchased, and it is a Microsoft technology for Active Directory federated, and it seamlessly integrates a hosted type solution with your premise Active Directory. And more and more we're seeing many customers choose that as that's how they want to manage their OnBase users as well, because it's seamless and it's much simpler for them because they're already managing them in Active Directory. So.
And anecdotally, it's a great testament to what we say from an OnBase standpoint all along is we listen to our customers. Going with ADFS in the cloud was driven directly by several of our end users who required that for their solution.
At Results Engineering, we work with organizations on every enterprise content management project imaginable. Whether you're researching options for your first ECM solution, looking to change enterprise content management platforms, or need to resolve a business or technical problem, we can help. Click on the contact link below to get in touch, or visit us online at www.reeng.com. The Results Advantage. Your advantage.